Presentation on Consumer Buying Decision Process by Harshita, MCom Previous, MPM Government First Grade College, Karkala. A consumer passes through 5 different stages in the buying process. Before moving to the stages, let us know what is the meaning of consumer buying decision process. The buying decision process is the decision-making process used by consumers regarding market transactions before, during, and after the purchase of goods or services. It means these stages start before the actual purchase and go beyond the purchase. According to Philip Kotler, the buying process involves 5 stages: problem recognition, information search, evaluation of alternatives, purchase decision, post-purchase behavior. Let us talk about the first stage, that is problem identification. This step is also known as recognizing of unmet need. The need is a source or force of buying behavior. Buying problem arises only when there is unmet need or problem is recognized. Need or problem impels an individual to act or to buy the product. This step is also known as need recognition. Need or problem pushes an individual to buy the product. Let us check out the second step, that is information search. Interested consumer will try to seek information. Consumer will read newspaper and magazines, watch television, visit showroom or dealer, contact salesman, discuss with friends and relatives, and try all the possible source of information. Once a consumer have need, he will try to search for more information regarding the product through magazines, newspaper, televisions, etc. There are 2 stimuli: internal stimuli, external stimuli. Internal stimuli involves memory, thinking, etc., which means he himself motivated to purchase the product. External stimuli involves word of mouth, media, store visit, etc., which means he was motivated by other thing to purchase the product. The third stage is evaluation of alternatives. In this stage, consumer undergoes evaluation of brands. Normally, he selects the best one, the brand that offers maximum satisfaction. In case of purchasing salt or potato chips or any other things, a consumer will not worry about its brand. But at the time of buying costly products like smartphones, laptops, etc., consumer will think twice. For example, if a consumer want to buy the smartphone, there are different brands are available in the market. He will check many things regarding brand, like benefit offered by the brands, qualities, features or attributes, and performance, price changed by various brands. He will compare the price of chosen brand with other brands, history of brands, popularity, image or reputation of brands, availability of brands, and dealer rating. The third step is purchase decision. In this stage, consumer prefer one, the most promising brand out of several brands. The former stage helps consumer evaluate various brands in the choice set. The brand that offer maximum benefits or satisfaction is preferred. In this stage, the consumer will decide to purchase the most promising brand after evaluating all the brands. The last stage is post-purchase decision. Consumer buys the product with a certain expectation. Though he decides very systematically, there is no guarantee of complete satisfaction. There is always possibility of variation between the expected level of satisfaction and the actual satisfaction. His subsequent behavior is influenced by degree of satisfaction or dissatisfaction. In this stage, the consumer will give feedback on the purchased product. If he is satisfied by the product, he will give positive feedback. If he is dissatisfied by the product, then he will give negative feedback. So the marketer must monitor the post purchase experience of the buyer, that includes post purchase satisfaction, post purchase action, post purchase use and disposal. So the marketer must control over the post purchase experience of the buyers. Thank you for watching.